Let's talk about what I want you to do to complete today's place value assignment. Today we are going to be working on practicing digits and the value of those digits. On our first slide, I want you to show me that you know the difference between the words digit and value. What I want you to do is click on each green box and drag it to the digit column or to the value column. So let's do the first one together. This says the 10 symbols in a base 10 number system used to show value. Since it says that these digits show value, that's probably not the definition of a value. What this box is talking about are digits. Digits are those 10 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that we can put in a lot of different places to show value. Um, we also have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have how much a digit is worth, and we have an example. So in 624, the value of the digit 2 is 20. I want you to tell me if each of these shows what a digit is or if it shows what value is. How many? Look at each number below and fill out how many thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones are in each number. So for the number 723, you're going to place each digit in the correct place value column. This number doesn't have any thousands, so we can leave this blank. But it does have 700s, so I would put a 7 in my hundreds column. 723 has a 2 in the tens column, and 723 has a 3 in the ones column. So the 7 represents 700, the 2 represents 2 tens or 20, and the 3 represents 3 ones or just 3. This next slide says, what is the number? Look at the charts below, then write the number in standard form that's indicated. So we're doing the opposite of what we did on the previous slide. This time they've already put the digits into the place value column. So we have 5 thousands, 9 hundreds, 0 tens, and 2 ones. So what I want you to do is type the number in the blue box to the right. So I would type 5. Don't forget your comma because that is 5,902. And that's it. You're going from writing it in place value column to writing it just as a plain number. This is called standard form, and we're going to be talking a lot more about standard form next week. And in your last slide, I know this looks like a lot, but it's not. Don't get overwhelmed. I want you to look at each number, and you are going to write the value of the number that is underlined. So in our first one, we have the number 234, and the number in our ones place is underlined. So that 4 just represents 4 ones or 4. In the next one, we have 765. The underlined number is in our tens place, or 6 tens. So 6 tens would be 60. That underlined 6 has a value of 60. And I'll do one more example in the hundreds place. 120 with my hundreds place underlined. That 1 in the hundreds place represents one group of 100 or just 100. When you are finished with this is the last slide, so you can close out of this tab and click Turn in Google Classroom.